Marsh of the Leonins. They say this place is my home.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the...
I'm the bearer of the blessing, the custodian of all Leonin's future and joy.
Request backup!
I join
Always do it on my own, so I gotta keep doing it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself in check. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Till I don't belong. Tell me I'm sitting moving on. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread. I have so many dreams. Doing it your dreams. Living what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta do it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Until I get just what I want, yeah.
I could use some cupcakes now.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow until I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Unbreakable, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, unstable, oh yeah, no label.
shonen exclusive? No? I have always been an odd one, but at least it's fun.
Destroy the turret.
Tapping your foot now?
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Under attack. Unstoppable.
They will soon learn this short-tailed Leonin isn't as cute as it seems.
Ally has been slain.
A blessed Leonin will be the blessing upon Leonin.
Damn, heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist, and I know I'm
They
not
will
the
soon
one.
learn this short-tailed Leonin isn't as cute as it seems. The beat is up.
Party started, yeah, let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. Enough to turn up. Shit, I'm so up. Sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. I'll take this shit too personally. Everybody gotta Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me. And I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency to find out what you wanna be. But honestly, we change our minds honestly. So try to breathe and find out who you wanna be.
I, Joy, am no longer afraid.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Our turret is under
now.
attack. Initiate retreat.
I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit.
You dizzy now?
Cause I want this. Don't try to stop So I be cautious. I hope that you're
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
I will not quit. Because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
I'm the bearer of the blessing, the custodian of all Leonin's future and joy.
Don't try to stop me.
Sometimes curiosity feeds the cat.
It's too late for you, not for me. I'm gonna keep a phone. You got a call screen. Did you learn anything? We're not even working. We're worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching, find a true passion and get to work. And better take back. That's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise off the sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back.
I have always been an odd one, but at least it's fun. Like you said.
It's the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. A life you don't have. Give a fuck now. Just be you written out. Wake up, man, this life is hard. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from another. It is what you deserve.
Your team launch initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Love makes a family. I will always remember that. I am the blessed. Not a cake. Initiate that good.
Work until I'm not cautious, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this.
That's it.
Cautious, I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, walk until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
Custodian of all knowledge, future, and joy. Annoy the kitty, and you get a tiger.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope
I have always been the naughty one, but at least it's fun.
until I'm nauseous, cause I will not
Request backup. Request backup.
Da 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 ha!
Launch attack.
Lightning flash
Over the edge.
Request backup. Initiate freeze spree.
Said and done.
Launch attack.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of the old things. I made it innocent, but feeling discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you Story's over now, I must conclude.
Victory.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still.